Welcome back and continuing the news. A female motorist is injured and her vehicle written off following a major early morning crash along the Swansea main road in Clarendon on Thursday. Details in this report.
Free at last. The moment a female motorist was removed from the mangled remains of her vehicle along the Swansea main road in Clarendon. According to police reports, a truck traveling westbound drifted onto the right side of the road, colliding with her vehicle traveling in the opposite direction.
The truck pushed the car from the roadway into a ditch. The occupant of the car, a female driver, received serious injury.
The incident happened about 5:30 a.m. Residents rushed to the scene. Firefighters at the Maypen fire station say they were called around 5:32 a.m. They arrived to see the truck on the front side of the vehicle, making it difficult for them to pull the injured motorist out.
We have to seek assistance from Mandeville, the ET specialized unit, to assist us, as well as wreckers to lift the truck from off the vehicle, which was a Toyota RAV4 and a international truck.
It's a mission which took nearly 3 hours, with onlookers complaining about the length of time it was taking to pull the woman from the wreckage. But for the firefighters,
we have to make sure safety amongst ourselves and the victim is paramount. So what we did was stabilize both the truck and the RAV4, Toyota RAV4, stabilize it, and then carry out our execution, because we have to make sure that our safety protocols follow.
TVJ News understands the truck driver did not receive any injuries. The latest incident highlights ongoing concerns about crashes in the area.
And this is a prime example of what has been transpiring over time.
We are using this medium again to speak with our motorists on the roadway and to appeal to them to be consistent in using the roadway as it ought to, drive at the required speed and get some rest if it is that you need to be rested before coming on the road. We're also asking persons driving along the thoroughfare to look out for pedestrians, look out for children on the roadway. It is not usual that we get cooperation from motorists speeding along the roadway, and we are asking them to tone down and to be consistent with what the road surface is like.
Janella Precious, TVJ News.